Hey everybody, this is Grayson Combs with the Ram Real Estate Group, and we are here at our newest listing in Sayler Park at 6432 Hillside Avenue. We have a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story with over 2,300 square feet of finished space. And not only do we have a 1-car attached garage, but we have an additional 60 by 20 pole barn in the back, along with a pool installed in 2019. Let's go take a look. For any questions or to schedule a private tour, give me a call at 513-614-4575. Thank you.